Kalau anak you asyik meltdown this Ramadan, it's not your parenting. Hi parents, let's check this together. Think ya, late nights, tidur lari, iftar sugar rush, rumah ramai orang, rutin berubah setiap hari. Bila badan dia penat and overstimulated, nervous system dia overload. And kids yang dysregulated memang susah nak guna words. So, they communicate with behavior. So, what helps? 1. Predictability sikit-sikit. Same wake time, same bedtime routine walaupun mereka tidur lambat. 2. Connection before correction. Peluk dulu, talk later. 3. Lower expectation. Ramadan mode is survival mode. Tantrum masa iftar tak bermaksud you gagal. Meltdown masa tarawih tak bermaksud anak you problem. It means they are human, tengah struggle just like us. Be gentle with them, be gentle with yourself. Ramadan and parenting memang challenging. You are doing better than you think. But if you are worried that it is very frequent or extreme sangat, please consult your pediatrician.